Hello there, in today's video we're going to be reviewing the T15 reverse light wedge LED bulbs. Now I do want to make a quick statement, and I did receive this product in exchange for an honest review. Let's go ahead and unbox and install this product. Alright, so let's unbox these, and this is pretty simple to open. This is all you have to do basically. They have a LED strip on the top, some on the side. It has a CAN bus, so it's error free. CAN bus ready, no polarity, DC 12 volt. So those are the specs right there. So that is a halogen look. For this install will be a T20 Torx bit. Now a little word of advice: once you remove the housing, turn it like this when you're taking out the bulb. That way the bulb will not fall in here. Now just go ahead and hit the unlock button so we can see the LED works. Go ahead and start these screws by hand. Now just make sure, like I mentioned, hand tighten them, because you do not want to break the housing if you use a ratchet or any power tool. Let's go ahead and check them out.